Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel Jerry Promo. Dear viewers, today we are diving deeper into Donut Coins, answering your questions, clearing up misunderstandings and breaking down how the system works step by step. Let's get into it. But before we get into the details of the Donut Coin, here I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Jerry Promo, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notification of the further upcoming videos. So dear viewers, this video is being made for only the informational and educational purpose. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. Here we will discuss about the Donut Coin. So the first question from the community is not this a pyramid scheme? I hear this one a lot and I understand the concern, but look at the facts. In the official white paper, it's clearly explained that Donut Coin is based on proof of community. There is no phantom product, no empty promises. You are actively building token liquidity by burning token in slot 1. That's real action creating real value. Here you can check out that slot 1, the first referred users fill this slot. Their $10 in soul buys donut from the liquidity pool, and these tokens that are instantly burned, reducing the supply and boosting long-term value. And the next question is, why so many valid confirmations? Great questions. Each confirmation is a separate blockchain operations. It's not a bug or problem. It's exactly how the smart contracts is designed. I will explain the details shortly. And the next question is the airdrop free? The answer is no. Not at the start. You need to complete at least one matrix to qualify for the airdrop. Over time, it can become cost-free if your matrices keeps multiplying through referrals. But that's because of the work you have already put in, not because it's free from day one. So here we will discuss the Donut airdrop distribution system. What is it? The Donut airdrop distribution tokens over 36 weeks, and remember, it's not free initially. Distribution schedule highlights week 1, 17,401 tokens will be distributed in first week. Here you can check out the figures. And week 2, 20,125 tokens will be distributed, and its percentage is 0.0968%. And in the week 3rd, there are 23,276 tokens will be distributed, and you can also check out the percentage. So here is the complete schedule of 36 weeks. You can check one by one. Notice how the distribution grows over time. That's because the project is building gradually. Who qualifies? The next question is, who will qualify for it? And the answer is, complete at least one matrix to enter. The more matrices you complete, the bigger your proportional share of that sweet token up. And the next question is, when it can become free? Once your network of matrices grows through referrals, your participations in the airdrop can continue without additional funds. That's when it feels free, but only because of the groundwork you have already done. And the next one is simplicity inside complexity. Even though the system is technically advanced, for you it's simple. Start your matrix. We recommend $15 in soul to cover network fees. 3 people join using your referral link, and then you get your initial funds back, a new matrix, and entry into the airdrop cycle. The next is the blockchain advantage on Solana. Once a transaction is confirmed, it's locked in forever. If someone joins using your link, the referral connection is permanent. No one can change it later. So the next question is, why are there so many confirmations? And the answer is, when you activate a matrix, here's what happening. Authorizing the smart contract to use your SOL. The next one is swapping soul for donut and burning tokens, and reserving a soul for further payouts, registering your matrix, updating your referral structure. Each step is separate for security. If everything were combined and failed mid-process, you could lose funds. By splitting them, each step is safe and processed independently. Sometimes you might even see more than 5 confirmations. That's normal. Just approve them all. And the next one is smart contract complexity. Autonomous operations. The Donut smart contract can run as for long as Solana exists. No servers needed, no manual maintenance. It's completely self-operating and full transparency. The contract is on Solana's minute and can be accessed by any site. It's not limited to mydonut.io. The code is open and verifiable. Perpetual rules. Once deployed, the contract cannot be shut down or altered. It's pure blockchain logic running independently. Here we will recall in simple terms: register via someone's referral link, invite 3 people, get your funds back, a new matrix and airdrop access, and then you can repeat the cycle. And for the technical information: autonomous smart contract, multiple secure confirmations, auto scaling referral structures, and proportional token distribution. So these are the amazing features which are being provided by the Donut. Here we will see the social media community. So this is the Telegram community, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to join this Telegram community. And here you can see the YouTube channel of Donut, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to subscribe it to get real-time updates. And here is the official Twitter page of Donut, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to follow the Donut page on Twitter and get the real-time updates about the Donut coin. And dear viewers, if you are ready to explore a transparent community-driven project on Solana, now the time is to check out Donut coin. Start your first matrix, join the airdrop system, and be part of the growing community. All official links including the website, white paper, and social media channels are in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Jerry Promo for more clear and professional crypto insights. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay secure, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.